This is the comments section where we take a look at what you have to say. Let us know what you think about anything you hear down in the comments, and we might just read it out. We had a comment asking about what do we think of the SAM model. It is an object recognition model. It's able to track things as a model, and they've just released SAM 3. You've got to request access, which I was hoping to be able to go through this with you guys, but you've got to request access. But let's go through the instructions and we can sort of talk a little bit about it. Really simple. This is the code. This is all of the code you need. And you provide it a URL to the video, wherever it is, video path here. And then you give it a text prompt, and it can track that video, whatever it is. Maybe it's track the dog, track the white football, or white team, or what player in white. There you go. And it's even ignoring some of the other players in white. It's because it's that frame, that first frame potentially. Looks really, really, really performant. And given that this is the text, and you can also train the model as well. So this is how to set it up. Conda is a Python version library, so you have to use it in Python 3.12. So you create an environment, a sandbox, if you will, of Python 3.12. You, I guess, deactivate your current Conda environment. You activate the SAM 3 environment, which you just created. You install Torch and do all this, that, and the other. Clone the repo. You install it. And then I'm guessing somewhere here, you need to basically request access to the Hugging Face repo. And if approved, you get 5 repositories, which you can then link to. Oh yeah, you can load an image. So I'm guessing that's maybe the image you want to say, track this player or whatever. I don't know. I've got no need for this, but I would like to play with it. So with all that being said, if I do get access to Hugging Face, I will absolutely try this out. I might even get access to it. It looks like it's an internal search tool. You have to, during the application process, you have to put in your affiliate. And I don't know, I'm not, I just said I'm media. I'm just, I don't know what else to actually say. So anyway, shame we couldn't get access to that. But this looks very, very, very cool. I wonder how big, can we see how big the model is? 0.9 billion. So what's that? And that's 900,000. View license. Let's have a look here. Oh gosh. Unless required SAM materials, any output result therefore are provided by as is. Sounds as it is. You'll have to have a look at this to see if it fits your use case or whatever. I'll try and update you on that as I can. Either way, SAM 3. It's a new one. I'll let you know. I'll update you when I know a little bit more about that. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.